Welcome, everyone. It's a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to put the device into test mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Okay, so once the device turns off, which was indicated by the vibration, you want to hold power key and volume down. Put the keys at the same time. And once you see the factory mode, you want to use volume down key to scroll down. And the first, I believe, two options are the test modes, which you can test either manually or automatically, which automatically will go through, the phone itself will go through every stage testing it itself. And manually you can pick each one of them, but as you can see, this is not in English, so to someone like me, I have no idea what I would be selecting. So yeah, now being said, whatever you will select, the options, you will then confirm them with power key. So let me see, here we have test of keys, so you can see volume up, down, which is actually in English, and no clue what that is. There is no other key. Oh well. But as you can see, it basically goes through something like this. Now, I do want to leave this mode, so I'm going to hold power key till it turns off. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.